All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project, and we're still inside of our Titanoboa favorites project module. I've decided that we're going to go intermittently between looking at the contract and actually doing some reading so we don't get too backed up on the reading. But I still want to fix what's going on behind the scene with the issues we're having with our inputs, so I'll continue to work on that and I'll continue to keep you updated on the progress we make. So we're going to say to compile source from disk and return deploy instance of the contract. You can check this by using a print statement with the type keyword to see what type of object the favorite contract variable is. We can do this by adding the following line of code to our defined main function. We'll say print type favorites contract. We can add this line of code right under the favorites contract that deploy function line of code. Once we have added this line of code, we can run our script again using the following command. We will say run deploy favorites py This will run our script and print the type of object that the favorites contract variable is. If everything is working correctly, we should see the type of contract object the contract is. It will look something like this: class boa.contracts.abi.abi underscore contracts.abi contract. This means that we have successfully loaded our contract into the favorites contract variable, and we can now interact with it using the Boa package. So just like how we use a type hints with Python, we can use type hints with the Boa package to specify the type of object that we are working with. We can modify our favorites contract variable to include a type hint like this. We will say favorites contract, Boa contract, ABI contract equals boa.load favorites.buy. Move down a little bit. Now this will tell Python that the favorites contract variable is an instance of the ABI contract class and the ABI contracts ABI contract module. Now we want to leave it there for now. Like I said, we want to actually just do reading and look at the contract intermittently between days. I don't want to get too far in the looking at the contract and trying to fix it and get behind on the reading. And I don't want to just read too far ahead and not know what we're doing or what we're trying to fix inside of our contract. So that's where we're at with that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.